Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back here with a new video. As you can see, my curls have dropped. It's been a while since I recorded the video that I posted last. So now they're at this wavy state and I'm going to wash my hair again and curl it again because I really did enjoy those curls, and there are more retro lock styles that I want to achieve with my curly braids, so stay tuned for that. I actually just got off of Instagram Live with at Trini for True, amazing loctician. We had an interesting conversation, and I think that you guys will benefit from listening to our conversation there. And I bring it up because it's actually relevant to the topic of this video. We were actually talking about growing natural locks versus lock extensions and faux locks, I guess. Definitely check that out. I'm sure that'll be very valuable for you, especially if you are starting off on your lock journey and you want to decide what is best for you. At the end of the day, your journey is your journey, and it matters what you think and how you feel and what you believe for your own journey. So this video is for those of us who are starting out, or maybe we're starting over again and we want some encouragement. I used to make lock encouragement videos all the time back in the day, and I really want to get back to that because I really want to support those of us who are starting out. Honestly, I believe that those are the people who need support, and those are probably the people who come to social media and look at lock videos the most. The ones who are still learning about lock maintenance, and whether they want to learn all they can learn before they start, or they have recently started and they want to learn what they can do for whatever issues that they're facing. I think that's why a lot of times people come to social media to learn as much as they can from the professionals and just those who have experience. In my video 2 videos ago where I tell you guys about me cutting my locks, I cut off about a foot of my hair, and I really didn't know what kind of comments I was going to get from you all. The overwhelming majority of those comments were from my viewers who were letting me know that they too have cut off a good chunk of their hair, or that's something that they do on a regular basis. And I was surprised to see that being the overwhelming majority of the comments, because the lock community, it can make you feel like shame on you for putting a scissors to your head. Even those of us who are not on it, on the journey for religious purposes, you know, those of us who are not, like, we're not Rastafarian, for instance, you know, but yet some of us still hold a lot of those ideals with our lock journeys. And, you know, you feel wrong for wanting to trim your hair. You feel wrong for wanting to cut it. But yet so many of you guys offered, you know, your support in letting us know that they too had cut their locks. And well, why is that relevant to this video? It's relevant because so many people tell me throughout my whole lock journey, I'm over 12 years locked, and the whole time I've experienced people telling me that they can't wait that long to grow their hair. They don't have the patience to grow that long. Wow, I have to wait so long to grow my hair. I have to wait that long. That's a long time to wait. I gotta wait. And meanwhile, there's people who have gone through the journey and are in the journey, and they're giving away inches. Oh, I have enough. I have more than enough. I'm overabundant in length. I have to get rid of it. Isn't that ironic? I think that's ironic. Do you see the irony? There's people who have that lack mindset, who feel like they can't even embark on the lock journey because they can't wait for all that hair. But then there's people who, they have an overflow of hair and decide to cut some down because, for whatever reason, maybe comfort. Is it just me? I see, like, to me that's ironic. To me it's ironic. Leave me a comment below if you see the irony in that. Like, so many of you guys are like, oh my goodness, I have to wait that long until my hair gets as long as Keisha Charmaine. I have to wait that long until my hair gets as long as Danielle Locs. I have to wait that long until my hair gets as long as Nerys Nefertiti. No, you're not waiting. You are living. You are living. You are living your life. Your hair is growing in the background. Your hair, you are not waiting for your hair to grow. Your hair is growing in the background. You're not waiting for your hair to grow. Your hair is growing in the background. Your experience in life, you are going to school, getting your degrees, you are going to work, you're getting promotions, you're getting new jobs, you starting new careers, you starting businesses, you starting families, you getting new marriages, new life partners, new relationships, new babies, new children, watching your children grow up, graduations, baby showers, weddings, funerals. What else happens in life? Celebrations, traveling, moving. You're living. You're living. You're not waiting for your hair to grow. Stop it. And I think that if you have that kind of mentality, it makes going through the uncomfortable phases of your lock journey so much more easy. So much easier. I think I'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching. Oh yeah, how could I forget? I have created a course on Teachable for those of you starting off your lock journeys. Maybe you just started or you're researching and you're wanting to begin. I have a course that's for you that will help support you along the way. This course is to help you from maintenance to mindset, because it's more than a lock journey. It's a self-love journey. Check out the course. The course has exclusive videos that are not available on YouTube from my lock journey from the beginning. Also, there are journal prompts and exercises that were created to help you on the mindset front. I have tips and advice for the maintenance front. And the video shows exactly where my head was at and where my maintenance was at throughout the early locking process. I'll have that link below. Follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine. Follow me on TikTok at the Keisha Charmaine. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Join the 100,000 subscribers. Join the party. That's a big party. It's gonna be fun. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.